if you dey look me koro and you dey hear me whine, I be say you tanda gidigba on top of the Chairman television station, Wazobia TV on top Star Times channel 195, and this na the ogbonge politics discussion show as e dey hot. Every Monday go reach Thursday from 10 to 11 we dey carry topic where they comot smoke inside the Nigeria political arrangement to chook eye for inside the matter, look am well and discuss am, chook mouth for the matter so that those wey the matter concern go carry out the necessary action as e dey hot. My name na Ezugu Chukwudi, and as usual I no dey alone inside studio. I dey with my brother wey sabi well as e take concern politics matter.
Good morning, our wonderful viewers. Yes, as e dey hot, now the program where they rain at this period, and that is why I know say now they right there, they watch us to also ensure say at least we go they update you now with different activities where they happen for Obodo Nigeria. And on today's matter, what do they look? This one will be rapport between us and you people, because since we, of course we cannot do without you people, we go establish the issue and also allow them also chook mouth inside them to also at least talk them as it been for our own body. Yes, the program now as it hurts, and my name never change. My name now Nkubi. Yesterday we been given an informate say the reps members, that is people when they for the lower house, they go meet with Oga President Muhammadu Buhari for the presidential villa for inside Aso Rock to discuss some important issues. As it be said, they go meet today for the National Assembly to continue to move this our country forward. And we want to look whether this meeting, because of the result when they come out, whether this country, we don't get the position when we say now forward march, or whether now wahala continue based on the things when they happen. Today, sharp, we go through our phone lines open after our opening argument, so that you self go call and chook mouth for the matter, because I know say the thing they ginger plenty people for body. We get 3 telephone lines plus 1 toll-free line. What if it toll-free line? You go call, you go talk. The full Nigeria go hear you, but now we go they pay. Nkubi, now get the problem. Yeah,
so,
you
go start first.
You tell our viewers say me and you won't argue waiting. Look, I have actually.
There's no argument, because
now you take your mouth.
Una party don't finish this country now. There's no argument. Una don't finish this country.
See, with my recent look, with my recent outfit, with my recent ginger
wardrobe allowance. That's wardrobe allowance in effect. And that part of the things what we discuss on top of this show be that. You don't see him.
Now your money I take by him.
Continue.
Now your money I take so this one.
Continue.
So what's your problem? Can't you just appreciate what you for one?
I dey wait for you, because I won't enter you. You understand? I won't enter you like I won't enter you like principality and power. Talk the talk where you want to talk. Now, men Nigerians know. Because with the
waiting with the talk, what is there to talk about?
What is there to talk about?
Why not we do meeting
before National Assembly go meet? And we don't still settle the issue.
In one meet with members of the House of Rep, members, and in don't meet them. It just comes. That is, as Mr. President will respect so much. I say, look, young men, look, people, my people, make now respect ourselves. Make now make sure say within. How many this within 6 hours? Me they don't resolve
6 hours to settle. Even husband and wife when they quarrel,
within 6 hours,
they settle their quarrel. Under 6 hours,
make them not resolve their matter.
Assembly.
So in order to hear this issue there, that issue there, make them know how they to resolve. You see, make Dogara meet with the other man, Gajabia Mila, make them meet with APC chairman, make them know how they will take resolve this thing. So go film move forward.
Okay,
so what is that?
Okay, they meet with Oga President for 20 minutes, and Oga President tell them say, make them resolve their differences.
30 minutes for information. 30 minutes.
30 minutes, 20 minutes. They
30 minutes. No, they buy notes.
In fact, make we even check them now. 20 minutes they meet with Oga President.
30 minutes.
20 minutes.
30 minutes.
20 minutes.
30 minutes enough time to talk what you want to talk.
Okay, make we open newspaper. We go see who they lie today. From this time, now we go know who carry lie come. Open any newspaper.
Open and not be the fine facts.
Open any newspaper.
Open newspaper.
Okay.
Open newspaper.
Nigerian Tribune.
Open newspaper.
Buhari's
Don't tell me
meeting,
that.
I go read them.
Don't tell me that.
Buhari's meeting with APC reps inconclusive. Make I break what inconclusive mean. Inconclusive means say e no go front, e no go back. APC reps that is the same place where they dey, na in they dey, no going front, no going back. Inconclusive is even worse than go slow, because go slow, you dey move small small. Inconclusive, no forward, no backward, no front, no back. Nkubi, inconclusive. We go check.
This one no carry the headline.
Make we check am.
Hey, are you sure you are reading from the right source?
Excuse me.
No, let me see. May I see myself? Give me that newspaper.
Come down, come see am.
I'm not gonna come down. May I take one I see am?
Nkubi.
Look for that newspaper.
Nkubi, read second paragraph from Nigerian Tribune. I will put you to shame.
Second paragraph.
From Nigerian Tribune, page 2, second paragraph.
What is me I read there now?
I said read second paragraph of Nigerian
Don't shout
Tribune.
at me.
Okay, sorry.
Tell me gently.
Read second paragraph.
The second paragraph talks say, and the APC House members, led by the Speaker, Honorable Yakubu Dogara, met with the President for about 30 minutes at the presidential villa.
Nkubi.
That is what is here.
Nkubi.
That is what is here. 30 minutes.
Nkubi.
30 minutes, young man.
Nkubi, raise this newspaper. Face our camera. Make them zoom
Camera
in
no
up to
fit
see.
catch am. Camera no go fit focus on anything. No go fit zoom into and catch am. So there's no point.
You know what thing? You see, our God is a good God. You know why?
Why?
Our people, when they watch us for house, they get money to buy newspaper.
Yes, we all know that. We all know that.
Nkubi, issue a disclaimer now. Say, you know call the real time when you see it here. Because
But
if our
for
people
my eyes,
ask,
it be
go
like
read
that-
Nigerian Tribune,
It be like 30 minutes from my own eyes.
2 and 3 are the same thing.
No, now, wait. From what I see, just be like, no, say, 3 be like this. So, you just won't relate. So, now, it just be like 30 minutes from my own eye.
Nkubi, e dey for inside Bible say the truth shall set you free. You don't start today with something wey no be true. And this one also say the APC reps, if they go National Assembly today, this thing wey you don't do now, you learn it from them. This thing wey you don't do now, na they will go do for the house today.
No, tell me, what have I said wrong?
Okay, Nkubi. During the campaigns, I talk this thing for here, nobody here. People call me say, hey, Chukudi, you know like better thing, you dey talk. But I'm like the prophet when they sit down for
You
the
don't any
roadside.
prophet, don't mention prophet. You are not anything. Don't compare yourself with any prophet. You are nothing but just an ordinary man. Your name is Chukudi, Ezugu, what be your name? Sipri. That is your name. Don't add any other thing to it. What you can start to be that. I feel they claim prophet when I know I'm not a prophet. Don't claim anything that you are not. You are just a man. Your name is Chukudi.
Wait. Is it your prophet?
I don't want to know. Don't come and claim what you are not. I don't want it. Let us address issue. Don't claim you are like a prophet or you are like this, you are like that. Don't come and claim it before me here.
I'll talk my own prophet.
Security. Me, I know you well. I know you reach house.
You don't know me reach house.
Wait.
You don't know me reach house. Now me know you well.
Now me know you well. You be prophet. You be like prophet. Me, Nkubio sit down in front of where they look you ball to ball, eye to eye. Your eye and my eye connecting. You understand? See, I'm connecting. I know so you not be anything. You're not related to any prophet. You're not even close to it. Your name is Chukudi Sipre Ezugu. That's what I know you as.
Now me get the prophet too.
I don't want to know.
So I know if you come and you know you say you are what you are,
Chukudi.
or you are what you say you are.
Look into my eyes.
I'm not looking into your eyes.
Oh, you see.
I'm not looking
Look
into
into
your
my
eyes.
eyes and tell me.
Nkubi, look into the newspaper and check if it's 20 minutes or 30 minutes.
I'm not looking into
Oh, Oga President meets with APC reps for 20 minutes inside the presidential villa for Aso Rock. After the meeting, how many hours they spend, they discuss. They meet with Oga President for 20 minutes. They spend how many hours?
Nkubi,
they spend how many hours?
Our president a man of action. He know him to come they say, to come they dialogue with, come they talk, say, let me hear from you. Because he don't know the whole drama will take place. He only to just say, as the president, the #1 citizen of this country, look, young man, respect yourself. Put this thing to order, respect yourself, and let us move on. Saying that they hold us back. That was what he came and told them strictly.
Nkubi, on the 9th of June, I go speak English, the theater of the absurd. Now our National Assembly turn into. You understand?
Chukudi.
And now because of waiting.
Define theater of the absurd.
Thank you very much.
Theater of the absurd. When you mean theater of the absurd, now time for.
You say make I define, you begin to define. Allow me to define.
Define theater of the absurd.
Absurd. Theater absurd.
Don't point at me.
Excuse
Don't
me.
tell me. Point elsewhere. Don't theater absurd. Direct your destiny elsewhere. Don't use me as a just direct theater absurd. Theater absurd. Direct your hands other places. Don't point at me. I don't want you that thing before. I don't want you. Don't point at me. Direct your hand elsewhere. Theater. If you say theater absurd, theater absurd. But don't point at me.
If like because me and you don't dey wear suit. You don't because you see the thing problem. Who start to wear suit on top of this show?
Chukudi.
Suit is my suit is my.
The issue
The,
of
now forget the issue. Which one can issue? You don't wear suit. You can't believe say you don't dey radical. because you dey wear suit, you no dey wear cap again. You don dey follow me dey wear suit. You come dey feel say you go dey attack me anyhow. I'm ready for you. If even if it's for me to take off my suit.
My own is already on button. I'm waiting for you. I no need to say I no be that kind gentleman wey say I come dey open bottle of friend. My own dey open. Just bring it on. Bring it on.
See as you dey tell Nigerians the kind person wey you be. You no be gentleman from your own very mouth.
You don't also you are not. How many times don't open your suit button here? So then I say they open and you open am. You no be start the whole.
No be when the team provoke and I no fit bottle my emotion. I dey open am to let out this team. You know they see say if I dey vex my left leg dey always dey shake. You know they notice that say if I dey vex my left leg dey always dey shake. Who could be out? See,
you're only trying to be dramatic.
I go deal with you.
You're only trying to be dramatic.
On top of this issue, I go deal with you.
You're only trying to be dramatic.
You are only trying to be
There's no time.
Hollywood,
Just keep quiet.
to be Nollywood, to be Gollywood, to be Bollywood, and all the old woods. Tiger Woods, everything, wood. That's what you are.
Look, Chukwudi, if you want to address me or probably tell me something, tell me. Don't attach me to certain things where we say, you be like say that particular word, now me just they hit on. Okay, Bollywood, wood inside. Nollywood, wood inside.
Gollywood.
Wood. So why the wood? Why are you stressing on the wood?
Because you thought say me I dey dramatic. Me I can't elevate you, give you film industry. Hollywood, Gollywood, Bollywood, Nollywood, Kannywood, even Kenya.
Hey, young man, it's enough of you.
Kannywood.
Respect yourself on this.
You cannot tell me to respect myself because
yourself.
I'm a man of respect.
Respect
You are the one
yourself.
that need to respect yourself.
Respect. I've respected
20 minutes when they meet to talk
I've
president,
respected
they have
myself
all
enough.
meeting extend for 6 hours. Now what you now promise Nigerians be this? What will be the responsibility of the National Assembly?
Transition of
they are legislators. They are supposed to do what? They are supposed to make the laws. What did they do since June 9th? They don't make any law.
For the good of the nation.
Which good?
What is your problem?
They begin to fight themselves. Since June 9th, we see they get this particular crisis. And it is a tussle for power, for position.
For Mr. President, and he met with them. I want to believe the progress for the sector of this country is they on track.
APC reps now people when we say get self-respect. If
They do.
If there be people when we say they respect themselves, if there be people when they respect themselves, Oga President now go enter, can they separate their fight? Ask yourself that question.
Is it a bad thing for Mr. President of a country to intervene into the crisis?
Is it a bad thing for Nigerians to come out on election day and vote for a people? Is it a bad thing for Nigerians to vote for a people? Say, make una go represent us. These people can't go there because of their own personal ambition. What do you Oga Femi Gbedemola dey find that position for? If they don't give am that position, na only I get that position.
The legislative arm of government and the executive arm of government, they work hand in hand. They are interwoven. This one get issue, this one come, they help resolve. This one get issue, this one come, they help
resolve.
Now,
they go on. The legislature and the executive na different organs. But what we dey discuss here na say, we dey look the National Assembly when they consulted by people from PDP and APC. Why e be say APC reps, APC senators from a particular political party, they fight themselves, they move this country, they go back.
Thank God you said from a particular political
party. Which is APC. Which is APC.
No, that is not what you're trying to say. That is not what you meant.
Which is APC.
APC members from a particular party. Which is that party? Where they come from? Where they come from?
You are confusing yourself.
I'm not confusing myself. You are
confusing yourself.
You are confusing yourself. That time
Yakubu Dogara, which party in there?
Where did they before?
Which party in there?
Where did they before?
Which party for win election?
Where did they before?
Which party for win election?
Don't come and give me all that.
What do they talk?
Don't give me all that.
There's no argument.
Don't give me all that.
Okay, Nkubi. Rotimi Amechi, which party in there?
I'm not in the mood to answer.
Why you don't ask me say where in there before? Why you don't ask me say where in there before? Why you don't ask me say where Rochas Okocha there before? Why you don't ask me say where Rabi Musa Kwankwaso there before? Now these people, now them be the good ones when come from PDP enter APC. Nkubi, you are in trouble.
Wait. I thought. Hey! I thought you were coming to address the issue like gentlemen. Why now? What did I do, young man?
Which way thing you do me?
Why pick on
First and foremost, you introduce start with
you introduce program
finish. Say the meeting na 30 minutes, not be 20 minutes.
You introduce program finish. Maybe introduce the program finish. The next time to just launch the attack straight up. Eat why on me? What have I done?
No, they do it why. No, they do me eat why.
I think you run the attack. Eat why on me?
No, they do me eat why. If you do me twice, I do it twice back. It is
what an example?
Which example? Which one be eat why? Which one be eat why? Eat why two to you. Eat why two to you. As you launch it why, I launch am eat why back to you. I'm ready for you in this present dispensation. Shebi una dey talk say thank God for all good luck Ebele Jonathan. a man of an uncommon transformer, a changer of destiny. This man, I give us the right to they sit down, to they open our mouth, they talk. We know people when we say they abuse people, say, why should you be talking? But President Goodluck Ebele Jonathan, a president of Nigeria will never forget. A man when we say, no wonder I name Azikiwe.
Why you say a president of Nigeria will never forget?
Because of the kind things when the man do.
Bear in mind that a lot of Nigerians will probably have different perception about our past government.
Most definitely. Everybody get their own opinion.
Thank you very much.
Just like a lot of Nigerians no expect what the APC
a lot of them
today.
will know him, will recognize him for being a president who say, to address some issues when in the power. And for that reason, that issues can affect societies, economically, socially, everything.
Now the president when no make Governor Rauf Aregbesola of Osun State no be pay salary. Now the president when no fit make Governor Rotimi Amechi of Rivers State no fit do wetin, no fit complete wetin he start. Now the president when make Governor Rochas Okorocha when just go USA, go shake hand with President Barack Obama, put big signboard for inside Owerri. Now the president recognition.
No, there's nothing wrong.
Now the president when make Jigawa State Governor start scheme to they give out goat to people.
It is still a process.
Now the president.
Chukwu, do you know what?
Chukwu,
let me not make it very clear.
Good luck, Ebele Jonathan.
Chukwu, do you know one good thing about all this we just talk? At least you are talking something that we say the governor also just mentioned. At least have been able to do something. Your own people, you can mention what have they done.
Thank you very much.
Mention what they've done.
Governor Ayodele Fayose of Ekiti State, a warrior, a defender of the ordinary man. This man, now the first person when we say for the history of this country, by I won't speak English now. Make I balance my hand, make the English come. By popular, by unanimous, by general consensus. From the people of Ekiti State, then carry their vote, give this man say, Boa, come and take us forward.
First
you know they see them, they follow people, they drink beer for beer parlor. You know they see them, they drink palm wine under tree. You know they see them, they enter Okada. Now they go give cars, car loans to civil servants. Say, may they go buy car, may they stop to the trek.
Nigerians, I want you to bear to this. You mentioned a particular governor, what we say, the way he take come into governorship power, Ururu dey inside one. Then you say they drink with people for under 3 pound wine. They enter Okada. They do this one, and then yet, are we seeing the regular kind of development, the people want in that state? That is a question you should be asking yourself. Make it not be say in the end, it just they take this and just they cover their own eye. Because for them to come, if they say because of say this man, they close to them. When they know a man, a particular government, when it comes to development, he was just too rapid in trying to make the state one of the finest states in Nigeria.
You don't finish.
Because I never finished.
You don't finish.
I'm still the one talking.
You don't finish.
To get the floor.
When you finish, tell me.
Trying to make at least the state they recognizable, they develop in every aspect. Because of say just because of one good reason.
Make we take Oga Obiora from Yola. Make we take Oga Obiora from Yola now. You won't make it the wasting credit. Hold it. Oga Obiora from Yola. Good morning.
Don't ever time to hold it.
You will hold it. You will hold it.
Good morning, Oga Obiora.
This is a fight.
See, you need to talk to him.
Thank you very much, Oga Obiora. You don't make very important
points.
Wetin
does Oga Obiora talk?
You know hear wetin he talk?
Say wetin?
Say you dey always dey attack me because I dey speak the truth. Oga Obiora continue, we dey hear you. You see am?
Oga Obiora, we dey hear you.
You see am? You don hold the network. Oga Obiora make very important, but hear wetin he start with. Chukwudi, this your fight against Chukwudi.
You don't mention my name.
The innocent man, the man of justice. You have to stop it.
See the duration we take talk. See the duration we don't take talk.
You know hear am?
Chukwudi, a big liar.
You know say from Yola to Lagos, the thing they
before me and before
Oga Ambition from Port Harcourt.
Before Nigerians, you don't lie.
Oga Ambition from Port Harcourt. Oga Ambition, good morning, sir.
Oga Ambition. Oga Ambition, good morning.
Why you put Oga for his name? Why you put Oga for his name? You know whether I be Dr. Ambition? You know whether I be Professor Ambition? You know whether I be Mr. Ambition? You know whether I be Chief Ambition? Now everybody go put Oga for the front of the name. You don't make am vex. Now you no wan talk again. Oga Ambition. Oga Ambition. Oga Ambition.
I will leave this program come up for you.
You dare not. You dare not. You will continue to sit here and receive the fire until the right things begin to happen for inside this our country.
You and I will keep receiving the fire.
You are the one receiving the fire.
It is say
I'm
you
the
get
one
the
firing the fire.
Don't tell me you're firing anything. You're not firing anything.
I'm firing the fire.
Don't tell me you're firing
You are
anything.
receiving the fire.
Who is receiving what?
You are receiving the fire.
What has gone wrong in Mr. President? What has gone wrong in the government so far? What has gone wrong in Mr. President?
The
Say you want
APC
meeting
reps.
people.
How the day before una reconvene, una go meeting for 6 hours, and at the end of the meeting, we no still hear anything moving forward.
Let us see the outcome of the House today. Should they meet officially today? Make them meet. Let us know how progressive.
After the meeting, wetin be the statement wey come from either factions? Femi Gbajabiamila people talk say party supremacy. See wetin the party want. Party supremacy. Dogara people talk say, hey, government, we loyal to APC, we loyal. They no still talk the straight.
Okay, Emeka, thank you very much. You to say, okay, Emeka, good morning. Okay, Emeka.
Hello.
Yes, we dey hear you. Right on, we dey hear. Good morning. We dey hear, okay, Emeka, right on.
Why they only attack now?
Na him.
Why they only attack?
Okay, Emeka, abeg, no vex. Bring down the volume of your television, abeg. Abeg, try call back, but for our viewers, abeg, if na dey call, may na try do it. May na bring down the volume of na television so that we go fit hear una. Now go also fit hear us.
So you mean our viewers name, since we don't dey talk this thing now, say they know they hear word. Is that what you are trying to say? Yeah. You see the same problem when you don't bring come. You dey greet person, you don't know whether he be Mr. You don't know whether he be Chief. You say Oga Emeka, Oga Ambition, Oga this, Oga that.
What have I done to deserve?
People are warning you, stop attacking me on this show. I don't let's talk and say, but this show I need police protection because the way when you dey come, see Nigerians, my hands are clean. Everybody know because we know the government again. We don't accept. But make we move this country forward. Una go promise. Una dey find who to blame. Una dey find who to blame. Who could be? Una promise us 5,000 after every month.
Hello, good morning. Good morning, hello.
Hello, good morning.
Yes, who would they talk to, abeg?
This is Mrs. Onu.
Eh?
Mrs. Onu.
Onu. Mrs. Onu,
Yeah.
good morning.
Morning, my brother. I've just listened to your program this morning.
Okay. Where they call us from?
I'm calling from Lagos.
Okay, abeg, chook mouth to the here.
According to what you are just saying, you and Mr. Chukwude,
Yes.
my dear, the right thing for us in this country is to move forward.
Mm-hmm.
Being a politician doesn't mean that they are there to go and meet or have their own self-interest.
Yes.
Because what they are there for the masses, not for themselves. But the way I'm saying things now is that they are there for their own self-interest. You just have to be realistic because the way things are going, they are not there for the masses at all. But you pray that with the help of God will see them through.
Amen. Amen. Thank you very much, Mrs. Onu. Thank you very, very much for click. Yes, Chukwudi.
See as you dey shout amen, you dey shout amen 2 times.
Na bad thing. I won't claim all the blessings.
APC wahala don reach the level
Yes,
we go begin dey pray.
Make we do it because he is still talking and his face saying get point. Make we go for this break. Will they come back?
APC problem don reach level we go begin dey fight.
If una know say una just enjoy the video they wanna just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.